Haynes, I hear that you might have something for us.
Oh, a delivery. Oh, what is this now?
We have lots of, this may not happen on Eyewitness News at 5, Dennis, but
I've never done this before.
Well, let's open it up. It's a producer challenge.
Producer challenge.
The hardest thing may be opening the envelope. And today is National Chocolate Chip Day. We know that. So our producer is thinking that it's a good idea that we celebrate that with something. And this is what we're going to... Easy 30-minute chocolate croissants. My favorite, as you know.
Yes.
All right.
I just bought you some the other day for Mother's Day.
Well, maybe after today.
Let's go over to the kitchen and see what's going on.
And then we're going to go to the craft area. We're going to do the prep here.
So, croissants.
Croissants.
They seem difficult to make.
Well, they probably are, so be patient with us at home. Okay,
chocolate chips.
How about I read the instructions a little bit, and then okay. We don't need that much. Only 15-minute prep, 20-minute cook. Mini croissants. Okay, the puff pastry sheet needs to be thawed before using. Tracy did that.
Okay.
So either place it into the Okay, once the puff pastry is thawed, all you need is start. Okay, so heat the oven. We've done that. Beat the egg in the water in a small bowl with a fork. Okay, so we need 1 large egg. I'm gonna do that. Okay. Okay. So why don't you?
I'm gonna put the pastry right here.
Why don't I roll the pastry and you beat the egg in the water? Okay. So take.
We need like a fork to beat it with.
Here, we're gonna give you that, but you first need a tablespoon of water. So this is actually the wrong measurement. Give it a little bit more. It's a teaspoon.
Of what?
3 teaspoons is a tablespoon, says
Of what,
Tracy. Of water.
Okay, water.
Of water. Okay. So put water and the egg together, and you're going to mix that. And there is something around to mix that with, right, Tracy? The points. Can I have a fork, please?
3 of them, you said?
Yes, 3. Okay, I'm gonna roll out the dough.
Okay.
Okay, so hang on. This pastry dough we got at the store, it looks like, and it already had some flour on it, but I'm gonna put some more. Pepperidge Farm pastry dough, we did that.
You know, can I just beat this with this thing? Does that work?
Yeah, that's fine. Sure, why not? Let me just move this over. And that's just gonna be later on, because we're gonna use it as an egg wash to make it nice and...
I love washing things with eggs.
Okay, unfold the pastry and then lightly
right?
dust the top with flour. This has a little bit on it already, but I'm going to cut the pastry square in half, then cut each, I'll use a rolling pin. Let me do that first. A rolling pin to a 16-inch square. Okay, so we're gonna roll it out first. Just gonna make this.
All right.
And these are good because these are already kind of nice and easy to work with at the store. We have 4 minutes. I'm pretty confident we can do this right now.
All right.
All right, so, let me just, all right. I'm gonna make it as good as we can.
It's kind of still a square.
Well.
Kind of looks like Iowa.
Well, we're doing the best. That's gonna be fine.
It looks like Iowa.
Okay.
We need more like a
sideways
Tennessee.
So, hang on. All right, now we need to cut the pastry square in half and then cut each half into 4 rectangles. So we need to do it like this, okay? So,
all right, so down there.
Yeah, so
little triangles, right?
Cut it in half. That looks
then
about
4
the middle, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we need to, this one's gonna be a little shorter than the rest. Okay. But let's go and make these little rectangles, and then we're gonna cut those in half.
All croissants are not created equally.
Well, so we're gonna do that. It's all gonna be good when we're at the end, because there's gonna be chocolate in this, so anything. Okay. All right.
Shouldn't you be wearing a hairnet for this?
All right, so now...
Regulations, don't we?
Would you like to cut some triangles, or do you want me to do this?
Well, there's only one knife.
I know. Do you want me to give it to you and I'll work on the next thing? You want to cut them into triangles. You're pretty good at that.
Let me cut this while you look to the next step.
I will. Okay. So, hang on. Let's see. After you do that, now cut each triangle diagonally. Okay, we're going to do that. We're going to place 2 teaspoons of chocolate chips down the center of each triangle. Then, starting at the wider end, we're going to roll each triangle up. Place each croissant seam side down, so the tip of the triangle is tucked, and then bend in the edges. Lightly brush the tops with the, okay, so I'm going to try.
Is it mandatory when you're making these to have the music, the background music that we have today?
It is, actually. It helps you. Yep. Okay, so we're going to follow the pictures. See, they just put like, see? They're going to put these little things in there.
Right in the middle, right?
Yeah, chocolate chips in the middle.
How many?
Well, about that. Okay? And then...
Like a fingerful, kind of like that?
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Then we're going to roll it like this.
Oh.
And if a few fall out, I think that just means there's too many. So there we go. So there we go. And then we're gonna bend it like that to make a croissant shape. It will expand. This is gonna be a tiny one.
Oh, look at that. I just made one.
You did? You know, Mother's Day, as you maybe saw, I like to get breakfast in bed, and really all I care about is a chocolate croissant. Dennis, maybe next year you won't have to buy them. You could make them.
I could make them. You know what these look like is those dumplings you get at Chinese restaurants.
Okay. All right, so make sure you bend it. All right, we're doing good. Oh, yours is nice and big. That looks good. Okay. Do you think we can get them all?
The seams on the bottom?
Yeah,
Oh.
it'll puff out.
All right,
so
then
we need to
mine isn't
just
as
flip
good
yours
looking as
over.
we thought then.
Well, no, but just when you put it on.
Oh, the seam on the bottom. I get
Yeah,
you now.
yeah. This one could use a little bit more. Okay. And you know what? They're gonna look good no matter what, but we gotta get to the point where we can wash them
They
with the
seem
eggs.
kind of small. Oh, when do you
gonna
wash them with the
expand.
eggs?
They're gonna expand.
All right, let me try it.
Okay.
So,
So we're gonna do that.
wrap that up.
Okay.
Seam on the bottom.
Seam on the bottom, like we're. Okay.
Why don't I egg wash? Or not?
Here, let me
what
show
I'm
you.
doing?
Here, you do the egg wash. I'm gonna do the rolling. You gotta roll them. So you start like this, and you roll it like a sleeping bag almost, and then you shape it.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
You can tell I've.
You're
never-
a good painter. You do that part. You're the painter in our house. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna do just a couple more. And we may not have time to do them all, and that's
Well, we
okay.
can make them during the other
You know, at
commercial
home
breaks.
you might have more than 4 minutes to decide how you're gonna do these.
That's true.
Racing, and okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna do one more, and then you just they shake pretty easily. Okay, and let me take the biggest one. I like the bigger ones. I think better.
Why don't we make a double one?
What do you mean?
Oh, I see what you get there. You have that nice little ribbon on the top.
Yes, that's a croissant, darling.
No, yeah, mine aren't supposed to look like the dumplings in the Chinese food restaurant.
Because you were supposed to roll them.
But they do.
Okay. All right. There we go.
So to rush to the oven.
What is that?
That's my.
Wait, no. Just let me bathe.
No.
Let me just bathe that little baby right there. Here you go, little guy. Okay. So we're gonna go to the kitchen and we're gonna put that in for
Here you go. What do
20
you think?
minutes.
20 minutes.
Yes, the oven has been preheated to 350. Okay.
There's something in the top
Bottom
oven.
bottom one. Yep.
Okay.
We have the preheated oven.
You want it on the top shelf or the bottom shelf?
The top shelf, right? Which
Middle.
is the top shelf is the middle of the oven. See?
I get you.
Gotcha. There you go. All right, so now we need just somebody keep a 20-minute timer. It is now, okay, we got it. You want to get the croissants that we made
Let
at the
me
beginning
open
of the
the
show?
oven,
We had a producer
shall we?
challenge. We made chocolate croissants to celebrate National Chocolate Chip Day. All right.
Mine look
here we
kinda
go.
ugly.
All right, well,
you
you
see
know
them
what?
here?
They look delicious. Look, these are so
Do
cute.
some powder.
There we go. There we go. There we go. So pretty. They look and smell delicious. They're good.